In today's experiment, families will create a simple blubber glove to understand how insulation works in nature. First, gather some materials: a Ziploc bag, vegetable shortening, a rubber glove, and a bowl of ice water. Start by filling the Ziploc bag with vegetable shortening. This represents the fat layer in animals. Next, seal the bag and place it inside the rubber glove. Now for the fun part. Slip your hand into the glove and dip it into the ice water. Feel how the blubber keeps your hand warm compared to your other hand directly in the cold water. This demonstrates how thick layers of fat help animals like seals and whales retain body heat in freezing environments.